Are you searching for an amicable resolution to a challenging situation? Could the answer lie in the realm of divorce mediation? Well, look no further. Welcome to Divorce with Dignity, your go-to network of professionals dedicated to providing a compassionate, cost-effective, and amicable solution to your divorce-related matters. Our team comprises of experienced attorneys, independent paralegals, legal document assistants, and certified mediators, each bringing a unique set of skills to the table. First, allow us to introduce Denise Foster, our specialist in Alameda County, California. Denise's expertise lies in guiding you through each step of the process, eliminating the stress and frustration commonly associated with divorce. Next, we have Dr. Shilpa Kapoor in Contra Costa County, California. Dr. Kapoor provides emotional support services alongside her mediation and divorce planning, ensuring a holistic approach to your needs. In Marin and Sonoma Counties, California, we have Gina Lee. As a family law attorney, Gina specializes in amicable divorce mediation, agreements, and estate planning. Lori Black Ogene, based in Monterey County, California, delivers quality family law assistance, ensuring a safe and affordable amicable divorce. In San Diego County, Sarah Elder Gauthier ensures that you feel heard while guiding you through mediation and separation and divorce documents. San Francisco County is home to Bronwyn K. Galloway, an independent paralegal with a Juris Doctorate specializing in amicable divorce and divorce documents. Jessica Cochran Kelly, an attorney based in San Mateo County, California, helps you face the next chapter of your life with hope and strong footing. In Santa Clara County, California, Asma Bashir, an experienced attorney, helps you avoid litigation and retain your dignity. Santa Cruz County's Randall B. Schmidt assists you in avoiding as many contentious issues as possible, fostering a peaceful resolution. Moving on to New Mexico, Tina Taylor, an attorney specializing in amicable divorce or separation and mediation, serves the greater Albuquerque area. In Philadelphia County, Pennsylvania, we have Rob Rosen, a paralegal specializing in amicable divorce, mediation, and estate planning. Lastly, in Montgomery County, Texas, Farah Rose, a certificated paralegal and certified advanced mediator, specializes in amicable divorce mediation, with a focus on discretion, integrity, transparency, and preserving relationships. In summary, our professionals strive to provide a compassionate, cost-effective, and peaceful resolution to your divorce-related matters. We believe in retaining your dignity throughout the process, offering a range of specialties tailored to your unique situation. Connect with an amicable divorce provider in your county for your free discovery session. Your peace of mind is our priority.